What's up guys, this is Karol from Undisputed Market, and if you're watching this video you're probably doing some research and you're wondering if you can or how to make money online selling pictures. So in this video we're going to dive deep into this topic and we're going to actually look at the different ways and methods how you personally can start making some money with selling your photos that you love to do. So if you are a person who really loves to take pictures either with your phone, or you have a professional camera, or a little bit of better camera that you love to take pictures with, then this video is exactly for you. We're going to look at first of all ways how to sell pictures either through your computer, or also we are going to look at the different apps that you can actually just upload directly from your phone and you can sell these pictures. Alright, so stay tuned and let's get over to it. So before we dive into this topic, you've probably noticed that I'm in front of my YouTube channel Undisputed Market. So if you're interested in, and if you're not a subscriber yet, then I highly encourage you to click the red subscribe button down there and you will get notified whenever I post a new video. I strive to deliver every single day a new video regarding online business, affiliate marketing, and all the beautiful ways how to leverage the power of the internet. So go over there and subscribe down there. So without further ado, let's dive into our today's topic. And we're going to look at the ways how to sell pictures online and how to make money by selling your beautiful photos. So for the sake of this video, I've prepared a few great apps and websites and marketplaces where you can actually literally just upload your photos, become a contributor, and really sell those photos. So the first one is going to be called Pond5. Now a Pond5 is actually one of the largest marketplaces on the market, and you can literally see and have a look at it for on your own. First of all, it's just Pond, Pond, and number 5.com, as you can see over here. And they have loads and loads of things. You can upload your videos, music tracks, templates, sound effects, images, 3D objects. So very different and vast options for you to literally start making money with whatever you're doing in your free time. Now if we are interested in what are the contributions, what are the commissions, and how basically it works, it's very simple. All you have to do is basically just join now. You click over here, you sign up either through using your Facebook or just using your email address, and basically the registration is completely free. The payments are done through PayPal, so it's very convenient. Alright, so basically the payout overview is done over here. As you can see, for the video, exclusive video contributors receive 60% revenue share, which basically means when you give full contribution, full authority and copyrights to the person who buys it, then you receive 60% revenue share. If it is a non-exclusive video contributor, which means basically that you still keep your copyrights, you will receive 40% from the revenue share. When it comes to music and sound effects, it's basically a share for these media types is 35%. Then all the other media types, which is licensed photographs, illustrations, 3D models, After Effects, and all of that stuff, is all 50% revenue share. So you basically get 50% for a sale of the photo. And when we just go over here and we just check something, let me just see computer, for example. We can see actually what are the prices for several pictures, and therefore you can get a fairly good overview of what exactly you could possibly expect selling pictures on Pond5 directly. So as you can see over here, here is some guy for $76. Here is a video for $67. This is a $35 video. This is again a video. This is all video. Let me just go for something that is actually a photo. Okay, I don't want to upload, sorry about this. Photos, yes. Let's just search for only photos. This is basically a video, 17-second video which is, you know, for a HD version is $35. For 4K it's 69 euros, right? But let's just head over to the photos. So here is some photo of a guy, computer error. Here is some stressed woman. What is it? Here is $120. So it's different prices, and you can definitely have a look at it on your own and see what you might be, you know, considering a fairly good price for your work. Now, this was Pond5. Let's head over to the second type, and it's Lami. Lami.com is again a very huge marketplace. They've got over 212 million stock photos, vectors, and videos, as you can see right over here. It's a great website and marketplace where you can possibly earn some money for your photos. Let's just head over here, and we're going to see actually what are the prices and what are the commissions. So just scroll all over down place, and in the second row under selling with LME, just click on become a contributor. And over here we can just scroll a little bit down, and here are different types, different things, as you can see over here. And let me just click on get started. As you can see here is by signing up you will get 50% commission split for exclusive images. Again, exclusive images is full copyright to the buyer. 40% commission split for non-exclusive images. Again, non-exclusive is that you still keep your copyrights, and so on. So it's a very huge. Get your images seen by 110,000 image buyers from around the world, which is just amazing. Again, the payouts are done through PayPal, so it's very convenient. Let's head over to app number 3, and that's called Snapwire. Now, Snapwire is basically downloadable app for either your iPhone or your Android. They got downloadable options for you, so you can actually upload the pictures directly from your phone, right? And so if you just click on, you just want to see, you know, what are the ways, then you get 2 ways to earn and succeed. First are challenges. Now with challenges, it's basically select a challenge and submit your best shot. The winning is your photos, and the second one is basically marketplace, where you create a portfolio for your network, which means, you know, you create, basically you upload your photos and you put it on the marketplace, and somebody, if they buy, then basically you get a commission. With challenges, it's literally for, you know, somebody asks that they want a picture, I don't know, of an action or of a scene like this, and you volunteer that, okay, I'm going to do that, and if it wins, then you get commission. Now, what are the commissions? Is for challenges is you keep 100% of the selling price, which is just amazing. And when it comes to marketplace, it's 50%, so it's again 50-50 divided with you and the Snapwire, which is just as well just amazing. You know, 50% is great for the whole service that Snapwire basically offers you. They offer you literally, you know, all the platforms and all the platform advantages like buyers and all of that, trust and authority. So it's a very great. Snapwire is very much very popular app, and it's fairly used, and it's, you know, very useful. Now let's head over to the third app, and it's called Fule. Now Fule.com is basically again an app for your phone, so you can literally go over to your phone and download it either for your iPhone or Android, whatever you have. As you can see, they have pretty much loads and loads of stuff over here, but we want to go over to the creator section and sell your content. And over here we're going to see that basically we share the profit with you 50-50. So again, it's all of these brands and all of these marketplaces are dividing the the profits with you 50-50, which is just amazing, you know, because you create the work and they basically sell it for you on your behalf. They give you the buyers, they give you the platform, they give you the authority, and you don't necessarily have to, you know, go out there and search for buyers. They just give you the buyers, and you can just do what you love, which is taking pictures, or you know, you create videos, whatever you're doing. You can just fully focus on that, and this is just amazing way how to literally earn money through your passion. Now Fule is, again, as you can see, download on the App Store or Google Play, and you can get earned by PayPal as well. So these were the 4 most popular, the best ways how to make money online selling photos. I hope you enjoyed this section. Hope you got lots of value from it. If you like this video, give me thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below what are your preferences. If it was helpful, let me know in the comments below. Please, I would love to hear from you, your feedback. What are the other apps or other programs that you personally use for selling your photos? And again, just if you love the content that I create, then just subscribe down there, and you will get notified whenever I post a new video. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.